Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. We are training, sometimes people laugh. What is this nonsense? They criticize. The leaders of the society do not encourage. Yesterday I was talking with one priest about illicit sex life. He said that what is wrong there? It is a great pleasure. We are training, we are advocating the illicit sex is sinful. Our first condition is that one must give up these four things: illicit sex, meat eating, intoxication, and gambling. This is my first condition before accepting. So they agree and they follow.
That's what our people will do. That's what our clients will do.
Yes, they will do. If regular institution runs on with all facilities, we get so many devotees come here. After some time they become dedicated devotees. The method must be there. We are increasing. Our movement is not decreasing. Just like we have opened a temple here. There was no temple, but we have got a nice temple. In this way, all over the world, our movement is increasing. It is not decreasing. I came from India alone, in New York, 1965. So for 1 year, I had no place to stay, I have no means to eat. I was loitering practically, living in some friend's house and some friend's house. Then gradually developed. People, I was chanting in a square in New York, alone, 2-3 hours. What is that, Tompkinson Square? Yeah. You had been in New York? So that was my beginning. Then gradually, people came. Yeah. You are in some club, what is that?
In California?
Yes?
In the ranch.
Ranch?
That Morning Star? Yes.
That was another brother.
Hippie farm.
You were there.
You came there.
I went there. The proprietor, the organizer, he took me there. So I think if you are serious, let us combinedly open an institution where people should be trained up how to become first class. Children should be trained up. That will make a solution.
Must change society
Huh?
then.
No change. Let society what it is. We train up some children, as we are doing in Dallas, and some men also, just like we have trained them. It is possible. It is practical example. Just like you are in a den, morning star.
Have any of you gentlemen been delinquents in your life?
Delinquency?
Yeah, have you been involved in trouble with the law before you joined?
Oh, many of them rose.
Have you?
Oh,
Have you? Right?
His freedom from his freedom one boy he spent 9 months in prison.
This is practical. We can stop. They have become saint people. Everyone, India, they are surprised. How you have made this European Americans like this? They are surprised. Because in India, the Brahmins and others, they were under impression that these Western people, they are hopeless. They cannot be any very advanced religionist or spiritual. So when they see, we have got many temples in India, that they are worshipping deity and managing everything, chanting, dancing, they are surprised. Many Swamis came before me, but they could not transform. But it is not I have transformed, but the method is so nice that they become transformed.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.